So this is my project called Gitmoji Commit. It's a extension for the code editor Visual Studio Code, a really popular code editor that they let users write add-ons or extensions for. And this particular extension allows you to easily add meaningful emojis to your commit messages. And a commit message is just a little bit of text and an emoji in this case that describes the changes to your code. For example, in this repository, you can see updated SEO, and that's a magnifying glass. Initial commit is a little party thing. Add dependencies is a plus. Update is a wrench, so forth and so on. You get the idea. And there's a whole list of these things. Each emoji means something different. And I made it so you can, it integrates right into the code editor itself, so you don't have to know off the top of your head what each one does. You can look each one up every time you need to make a commit. So pretty simple, but pretty cool. And it's available right through the code editor. You just type in Gitmoji or something to that effect in the extension marketplace, and you can pull it up. It's got a 5-star rating, and it looks like it's got nearly 3,000 downloads, which is pretty cool. And it has all kinds of different options: auto commit, auto close, custom emojis, which syntax it uses, regular, Unicode, or the colon syntax. So it's pretty cool. And when you want to make a commit, say I have a repo and I want to make a commit, I could, let's see, I could add, and then create a commit message here, and then automatically this is my extension popping up, and let's see, I'm changing the README. I just try to search for that, documentation maybe. Okay, writing documentation. So I just click that and it saves that emoji for me, and I can just type in, okay, update README. And then boom, it's going to compose that commit message in the terminal for me with the emoji. I didn't have to know anything, what code was what, and it's automatically done my commit message for me. All I have to do is hit enter and then make push. And now that commit message has an emoji in it, and it's been pushed. And let's see, does that show up automatically in my repositories? Let's check. And here's the README file, just updated 26 seconds ago. And there is the emoji I used right there. So that's basically how that works. One cool feature I just added is the ability to do multi-line commits. That's pretty cool. In addition to being able to use your whole, by default, it uses this Gitmoji map system. So someone came up with this, but you can make your own system. And then there's various other settings, like I said, but it's a pretty cool little extension. I was on a team that they wanted to have it. I'm not sure if it's really that necessary for anything, but it just does demonstrate my ability to integrate with an existing API and, just be creative and make a decent little tool. So this is Gitmoji commit.